Hi everyone, Vaughn here, and today I'm going to share some tips on care for your backdrops. This is a green screen backdrop. When it comes in the mail or you pick it up from your photo supply store, it's in a package folded, so there's a lot of creasing going on. One of the ways that you can get rid of those creases is to steam it out. So the first thing you want to do is put it up on your background stand. Okay, once you get it up on your background stand, go ahead and get yourself a steamer. Walmart, Amazon, I can put some links down in the description below. And you get it steamed, you'll take out all the wrinkles and the creases. Okay, next thing we do is we can toss this in a dryer. Okay, now that we have it back from the dryer, let's hang it back up. Okay, now that you have your backdrop up, go ahead and do your photo shoot. You're good to go. When you're done, take it back down. Don't fold it up, wad it up, put it into a bag. I like to use soft-sided bags. Drop it in there and you're ready to go until the next time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.